Well, a controversial bill that would have stopped law enforcement, including ICE agents, from covering their face with masks has failed in Baltimore County Council now. This came after a push for guardrails for immigration enforcement. And welcome into the news at 7, everyone. I'm Rick Ritter. After an increase in immigration activity over the past several months, states have introduced anti-ICE legislation and accountability measures. And in Maryland state legislature, there is currently a push that would make it illegal for ICE agents to wear masks. As we just mentioned, a similar effort just struck down in Baltimore County, and that's where we find our Bryant Reed tonight. Bryant, you had a chance to speak to neighbors about seeing ICE masked up in their communities.
Yeah, Rick, it is not exactly something that these residents agree with. Many people here in the county that I spoke with say that police don't wear masks, neither do military or other government agencies. So their question is, why does ICE or immigration enforcement get the ability to wear those masks? Now, as you mentioned, the bill here in Baltimore County was authored by Izzy Patoka. He feels that it's become clear that ICE agents in communities have begun to create more fear. Patoka says as there is a similar bill in the state legislature, he's advocating for the passing of that to ban agents from wearing masks statewide. But Patoka says although there was an amendment to not include police, his colleagues and county police didn't want this bill to pass because they didn't want local authorities to be associated with federal agents.
You know, that's kind of been the rules of engagement for Baltimore County Police Department is community policing. The antithesis of that is the behavior that ICE engages in. And so part of the concern with my colleagues was they didn't want to combine what the Baltimore Police Department is doing with what ICE is doing. And quite frankly, neither do the police officers of Baltimore County.
And Patoka says he's disappointed that his bill didn't pass, but he says he will continue to keep fighting for what he feels is right. Now, coming up at 11, you'll hear from some of those county residents that I talked to about their feelings on this issue. On your corner in Baltimore County tonight, Bryant Reed, WJZ.
An issue many are very passionate about. Brian, thank you.